Alright, all done. That fucker there, you can't see that. That sumbitch there. The wire was broken, the little end that connects to the top. So I did a little makeshift thing. We'll see how that works. That one, I'm honestly not even sure if it's making contact, but we'll see. The rest are in. Forgot to mention, I actually put a new fuel pump in too. That's one of the things there. That stopped my oil leak. As for the glow plugs that came out of here, only the front two on the passenger side were auto lights, as it turns out. Which one of them, you know, this one here was the burnout one. That one. Thank God it came out without a swollen tip or something. The rest are actually Beru. Which means this guy was real cheap fixing this truck. He only replaced the bad ones. You're not supposed to do that either. Let alone with auto lights. Anyways, we're gonna see how she starts now. It should be essentially just like a cold start because remember, let it warm up. The first